Put detergent on the papaya, and you'll thank me a million times. To start our tip today, we will need a papaya, being the main item for this tip. With the help of a knife, I will cut in half and then also cut into small pieces. That will facilitate the preparation. I'm sure you have never used papaya in this way and will be impressed with the final result of this tip. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Miriam Aber from Iran. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. For the preparation, we will add all papaya in a blender. Next, we will also use 200 milliliters of water. The ideal is to beat until it becomes a homogeneous mixture, thus facilitating the use. Once it is at this point, we will put all the mixture in another container, and with the help of a sieve, I will separate only the liquid. We will also use detergent in the mixture. The ideal amount is only 150 milliliters. You can use the detergent of your choice. Next, we must mix well. And you can already notice the texture of this tip, totally different from any item that used for cleaning until today. We will also use 2 tablespoons of salt, being the essential item, to preserve any tip that uses natural products. And the use of papaya here, it becomes indispensable. The last item we will use is baking soda, and only 1 tablespoon is necessary. Baking soda is who makes this tip perfect for your use. For its degreasing effect, we can use the product on several surfaces. That will have a great effect on the removal of dirt. To facilitate the application of the product, I will put all the liquid in a bottle. To avoid waste, I will also use a funnel. And once I put all the liquid we can use. Once you are at this point, our tip will be ready, and we can already notice the difference of any cleaning product we buy in the markets. This tip is essential to conserve your furniture, refrigerator, and even toilet. Papaya has great properties coming even from its leaves, which are responsible for bleaching and especially for the conservation of items that are dirty. Surely you will thank me for the use of this mixture. Tell me later if you got the result you expected. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.